We will start with reference image from free websites or from any source you have. We want to draw an outline around our leaf, so zoom in there. Select freehand tool. Start drawing all around the edges. You don't need to be so precise. Click and hold middle mouse button and drag to move page. Now to continue your line, start from the last node. As you can see, a small arrow will appear. This indicates that the new line will be connected with the previous one as a one single line. Now after finish, select Shape tool. Drag the node to close the shape. Fill with any color to check if it's closed or not. Fix your curve if needed. I'm used to keeping a copy after every step. Now right-click on the image, select Power Clip inside, select the shape. Select and change thickness to 1.5. Go to Bitmaps. Select Convert to Bitmap, make resolution 300 dpi and color mode to grayscale. Press OK. Go to Effects. Adjust Image Adjustment Lab. Change values to get the desired look. Press OK. Now with Freehand tool, draw some details as you want. With Shape tool, fix your curves. With Pick tool, select all. Convert to bitmap. Go to Bitmap. Mode, black and white. Choose line art and change threshold as you want. Press OK. Right-click, Outline Trace. Low quality image. Feel free to change the values to get the desired shape. Move the traced object to your page. Ungroup all. Start clean your object. With Pick tool, select unwanted shapes and delete them. With Shape tool, fix the curves. Now select all and combine. Select Freehand tool and draw the shape you want. select Shape tool and fix the curve. Select Smart Fill and click to create a closed shape. Now start arrange and distribute the leaves in the design. Scale, mirror, rotate as you want. Now after finish, start applying your colors to the design. To warp the design to fit on our die line, select the design, make a copy. Go to Bitmaps, select Convert to Bitmap, Color Mode to CMYK, make resolution 300 dpi. Press OK. Now select Envelope tool. Delete middle nods. Select all nods and convert to lines. Now snap corner nods to die line corners. Select all nods again and convert to curves. Hold the top edge of the design and drag up to snap to the middle node of the top edge of the die line. Do the same for the bottom edge. Now let me make another copy with different colors. Hope you enjoy the video and learn some tips and tricks from it. See you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe and like. See you soon.